Welcome to Tools Met. Imagine turning a simple piece of wood into a perfectly designed product in just a few hours. This level of speed and accuracy in woodworking is made possible by one powerful machine, the CNC machine. CNC stands for Computer Numerical Control. In woodworking, a CNC machine uses computer-based commands to cut, carve, and shape wood automatically. Once the design is set, the machine performs the job with precision without constant manual effort. CNC woodworking machines are widely used in furniture manufacturing, cabinet making, doors, wardrobes, wall panels, decorative carvings, signboards, and custom wood projects. From basic cutting to complex 2D and 3D carving, CNC machines deliver clean edges and professional finishing every time. Let's look at how the process works. First, a design is created using CAD software. That design is then prepared in CAM software, where tool paths, cutting depth, and speed are defined. Finally, the data is converted into G-code, which tells the CNC machine exactly how to move and cut. A CNC woodworking machine includes key components such as the control unit, high-speed spindle motor, stepper or servo motors, linear rails, work table system, and various cutting bits. All these parts work together to ensure smooth motion and accurate cutting. One of the biggest advantages of CNC machines is consistent production quality. The same design can be repeated multiple times with identical results. This reduces material waste, saves time, and increases productivity. For woodworking businesses, CNC machines are not just tools, they're a smart investment. They help increase output, improve finishing quality, and